issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Madison County in western North Carolina, northeastern Buncombe County in western North Carolina, southwestern Yancey County in western North Carolina until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles northwest of Marshall, or near Hot Springs, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Marshall, Mars Hill, Hot Springs, Faust, Allenston, Walnut, Wolf Ridge, Barnettsville, Spring Creek, and Swiss. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Buncombe, Madison, and Yancey.